Hey guys, here we've got a fender template for re-drilling a newer CRF fender, so that way you can mount it onto your older Honda CR or CRF. Let's see how this thing works. We're going to snap the fender template into the fender. The nubs go down. Just snap right in. Ooh, that is nice and tight. And then we're going to take a 3/8 inch drill bit and just simply drill right through these 4 holes here. Just make sure you're nice and straight and just go slow. So these will be your new 4 mounting holes. Just want to clean up any leftover bits there. Then we're going to bolt the fender onto the bike just using the OEM hardware. So you want to place the flange washer like so. Now on some brands of fenders, you'll notice that the fender washer is actually thicker than the fender itself. So you have a little lip right there. You want to take that fender washer out, sand it down until it is flush. If it's poking up like that and you mount it, the fender will be loose on the bike. Now the fender just mounts onto the bike just like the stock one would.